I'll be walking you through the top file backup apps for your Shopify store, and for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their pricing, reviews, features, and UI, so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we're going to take a look at here is called Filey. It allows for files backup and exports. So you can export your store files, product images, and videos all in just one click. So you can copy and transfer your stores and content really easily. You can also export your product images, videos, or 3D models. All you have to do is click the download button, wait a few moments, and enjoy your files downloaded as a zip archive, and that lets you easily upload it to a new store. In terms of pricing, there is a free plan where you can get the downloaded files, and for $4.99 a month, you can then go and upload said files. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 178 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for backing up store files, praising its ease of use, quick download speed, and capacity to handle thousands of files. Next, we have WD Backups, letting you have automated daily backups and restoring. You can also do things such as undo changes anytime without losing important data. So along with your files, you can back up your orders, customers, products, collections, blogs, and themes. Exactly what has changed between the backups. It's also going to be automated, so you don't have to worry about backing everything up manually. So you can back up everything on just a single page, so it's a very clean and easy UI to use. You can preview and compare backup versions for informed decision making, and you get a side-by-side comparison of the JSON data for easy analysis. You get daily backups with 3-year data retention for peace of mind, and you can restore on demand. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial. Then it's going to be $19.90 a month, and it's going to support 4 main resources to backup. And at $39.90, you get the automated daily backup, and you can back up all of Shopify's resources. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with 26 5-star reviews. And according to the latest 5-star review here, even though they had a middle of the night question, someone from the WD team accompanied them through the night and answered all of their questions. So overall, super helpful. Lastly, we have Rewind Backups. It again allows for automatic real-time backups, easy restoring, as well as recovering and undoing for products, themes, full stores, and more. So you can do automatic and on-demand backups. You can also restore multiple items at once or undo individual items. It also allows for a quick and easy setup to protect your store from all types of disasters. You can only restore what you need when you need it as well, and it gives you powerful filtering and searching so you can find exactly what you need to restore. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial, and it's going to start at $9 a month for up to 300 orders a month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of orders your store does. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with over 900 5-star reviews, and merchants highly recommend this app for its automatic and comprehensive data backup capabilities. It's praised for its ease of use, detailed backups, and the ability to restore individual products or versions. If you've made any sales on your Shopify store, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. You have your cost of goods sold, your ad spend, your transaction fees, as well as many more costs that all factor into your bottom line. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can see your store's true performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts and many cost of goods sold providers. It's going to give you a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a link in the description below where you can get a 15-day free trial. You can also find it directly in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top file backup apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.